Hello and welcome to not Geneva, but the Morgan Motor Factory. Now, 70 years ago, the first Morgan Plus 4 rolled out of the factory gates, and now it's time for a new one. So, ladies and gentlemen, meet the new Morgan Plus 4. Now, the Plus 4 is Morgan's biggest selling model. As such, this new car has some big shoes to fill. And if you're worried about, say, modernisation ruining the essence of the car, don't be, because every effort has been gone to maintain the spirit that made the Plus 4 what it was. First up, the powertrain. Gone is the naturally aspirated Ford engine of old, and in is a BMW-sourced 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder. The Plus 4 is available with both a 6-speed manual gearbox and an 8-speed automatic. The automatic car weighs in at 1,009 kilos, and it gets 255 horsepower and 295 pound-foot. That's enough to get it from 0 to 62 in 4.8 seconds and onto a top speed of 149 miles an hour. The manual car is a smidge heavier at 1,013 kilos. It gets the same power and top speed, but 258 pound-foot. That means it'll get from 0 to 62 in 5.2 seconds. Not only is this engine an improvement when it comes to performance, but also efficiency. The manual car will net you 39 miles per gallon, and it produces 165 grams per kilometre of carbon dioxide. The automatic car, that'll get you 40 mpg and produces 159 grams per kilometre of carbon dioxide. Those gearbox options represent a couple of firsts for Morgan. It's the first time a core product has been fitted with an automatic. It's also the first time a CX platform car has run with a manual. Yep, Plus 4 is based on Morgan's homegrown CX bonded aluminium platform. The platform was first revealed in 2019, Morgan's 110th anniversary. The CX in its name, that's Roman numerals. They stand for 110. The platform is leagues stronger than the steel chassis it replaces, and it's also light, weighing in at just 97 kilos. And that light weight is in turn good for handling, performance and economy. Double wishbone suspension should also mean it'll be quite entertaining on the tight and twisties. Even though it's based on the same platform as the Plus 6, the Plus 4 isn't as wide as its bigger brother. In fact, on average, it's 79mm narrower. This has been achieved thanks to shorter suspension packaging and reprofiled wings. And even though it is quite compact, the CX platform means it's easier to get in and out of than the old car, there's more luggage room and more room for people too. Wire wheels are available for the first time on a CX car as well. It's something that took some serious research and development to pull off, but they're an important part of Plus 4's heritage, which is why they're here. However, if you're not into wire, there's a new alloy, like the ones fitted to this car, based on sports cars from the 50s and 60s. It may be a new Morgan, but the way it's built is just the same as it always has been. This is a hand-built car put together by people trained to maintain the finest traditions. It still has an ash frame, its aluminium panels are hand-beaten, and its interior is stitched together by hand. Only now the car has LED lighting, automatic headlights, Bluetooth audio, power steering and even central locking. There are over 1 trillion ways to spec your Plus 4. You can have standard or bespoke paints, you can have different coloured leathers, different coloured carpets, embroidery, centre console spec and so much more besides. If the Plus 4 sounds like it's up your alley, you can order one today with manual cars starting at £62,995 and automatic cars starting at £64,995. Now, quite unusually for Morgan, we're going to start seeing Plus 4s out and about pretty soon. The factory is literally full of them. There's one here, and here, and here, and in here, and here, and here, and here, and here.